Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining me on this beautiful Lake Wylie day. My name is Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're featuring the 2026 Harris 230 Sunliner. This is featured in our matte black finish all the way around, black lines, clean lines throughout. Interior in your chestnut teak. Absolutely gorgeous boat. Come on board and take a look. All the way in the back here, we're gonna see we've got our nice flip up cleats to go along with our stainless safety rail system that's going to double as a fender holder. Connect these chains to your 1,000-pound rated ski tow and you are perfectly legal to ride facing aft. We've got our 200 horsepower Mercury engine that is extremely quiet. Our nice Lillipad ladder that's going to fold down in a tiered structure. Now, some of the best new features of this Sunliner are this huge sun pad here. So this is going to double with aft facing seating, or this is going to fold down simply to give you an extended sun pad here. Coming through the walkthrough, beautiful door to close this off, keep the little ones, grandparents, kids, all on board. And then we've got our folding backrest here. Nice and easy. This also does fold flat. Cup holders everywhere. Now, as we're coming through, you can see we've got our power contour bimini here. This is a 10-foot bimini. Our dual helm setup here, so swivel captain's chairs. Over here to the helm, Harris has incorporated this beautiful raised helm. We've got our nice flooring. Mercury's digital throttle and shift with active trim. And we can see we've got all of our features and our buttons right here. Easy to use, cell phone charging. Now you've got your Wet Sounds 811 system here also, along with our 9-inch Simrad. All the way over here on our port side, ADA certified giant door. And we've got some clever storage options here too. So we've got our little glove box. This is lockable. Extra storage here, and even a cooler drawer. So we've got some goodies in there right now, but this is perfect for a nice little cooler. In-floor storage, and then we come up here, we've got our beautiful diamond stitched inlay, cup holders, Sunliner emblems throughout, stereo and charging everywhere that you need it. Again, my name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. This has been the 2026 Harris 230 Sunliner.